good day, Madam and Sir. I am Suela Villanueva. I am 39 years old. I'm a single mother and I have one son, and I'm a high school graduate. And I am Filipino. My work experience in Kuwait in 2 years and more than 4 years in Qatar as domestic helper. And also I have experience in Dubai as a cleaners in 2 years. My main duty there, cooking, washing the clothes, cleaning the house, and taking care of children, take care elderly, take care pets. Sometimes I washing the car. To all my employer, if you choose me as your helper, I promise I follow your rules and regulations, and I love your children as my own. My strength, I'm flexible, trustworthy, hardworking, and obedient. Thank you and God bless you.